Once Sri Nanak Sahib Ji, along with Mardana, went to the place of Prahlad, which is at a distance of lakhs of kilometers from here. Please see, this is the same Janam Sakhi Bhai Wale Wali.
The same Janam Sakhi Bhai Bala Wali. This has been shown to you earlier as well. Now let us show you the page number 272.
Prahlad Bhagat Nal Goshti on page number 272. Then devotee Prahlad said, when Nanak Sahib Ji along with Bala and Mardana reached the lok place of devotee Prahlad, then devotee Prahlad said, O ascetic Nanak, Ram made you a great devotee in Kali Yuga, and many will attain salvation in your company. Sri Ram has showered divine grace on you. You will become very famous. Earlier in this Kali Yuga, devotee Kabir had come here. Now see, out of ignorance, devotee Prahlad is calling God a devotee. Devotee Kabir has come here and God has sent you here. Then Mardana asked devotee Prahlad, O devotee, you are also a great devotee, and Sri Ram has shown a big character for you as well, that is, he had acquired the Narsingh form. Sri Ram has showered immense grace on you. O devotee, has anyone else also reached here, or only Kabir and ascetic Nanak have reached here? Then devotee Prahlad said, Brother, ask ascetic Nanak whether anybody else will come or not. Devotee Mardana said, You are a great devotee. You know everything that will happen in the future and that happened in the past till Satyug. Then devotee Prahlad said, Listen brother, if anyone would be competent like him, then he would reach here. That is, if anybody would be competent like Nanak Ji, then he would reach here. Nobody else can come here. There have been many great devotees in the past, and there will be in the future too, but nobody reached here. Then Mardana asked, When will that person exist? Or will he exist in a near era? Then devotee Prahlad said, Listen brother, he will exist in Kali Yuga. And when ascetic Nanak will go to Sachkhand, then here it is written, saw 100 years after that. He had said here, saw hundreds of years after that. Here they had to write saw hundreds. Here, if they would have put a grammatical mark, then it would have become saw. Saw varsh, hundreds of years. They have written 100 years. He will exist hundreds of years after that, meaning apart from these three, nobody else can come here. Then Mardana asked, Which are these three? Then devotee Prahlad said, Brother, Kabir has been in the past, and now ascetic Nanak is present, and then he will exist. Mardana asked. Kabir was a weaver, and Nanak is a Kshatriya. Then to which caste will he belong? That is, which caste would he belong to? And on which land will he exist? And in which city? Then devotee Prahlad said, brother, on the land of Punjab, and caste would be Jat. That is, he will belong to the Jat caste. And city would be Batala. Here they have written Batala instead of Barwala. It was Barwala. He will be present in Barwala. Now in this they have made it clear that on this earth only three would know this secret. First one was God Kabir, who himself came. Now no one could understand him. He was himself God. Then he gave this knowledge to Nanak Sahib Ji. So, devotee Prahlad made it clear that all who will come here, and also made it clear that he will belong to Jat caste.
They have written Batala, but actually his area of propagation will be Barwala. That Barwala is in front of you. However, in Batala there has been no saint belonging to Jat caste who could have understood the deep secrets of Nanak Sahib Ji. Hence proof.